See who still remembers your birthday Instagram trending sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you search for my account, which is Helene Joan YTT. And once you are on my page, you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so it's better to go to highlights. And here you will only find only viral trends, so you can check this too if you want. So there we have it. See who still remember your birthday. So here you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And after I will do the story for you guys, I will show you where you can find that link in the Instagram app on my page. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this photo of me. It doesn't really matter because this is just an example for you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect right now for me, but you can make it perfect, of course. You can place your sticker where you want, and from here the most important part is going to stickers at the top of the screen, then go to quiz, and here you have to type in when's my birthday, or guess when is my birthday. And here you have to add the option 1. So I will type in a random date, then I will type in my birth date, and you can add a third option if you like. And here you have to select the good answer like this. You just have to click on the answer, and then you have to click on done from the right top corner, and you can place your sticker with your quiz where you want. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. Click on the your story button from the left bottom corner. And now let's show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, go to super viral at highlights, and here you have to click until you find it. So there we have it. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.